Hey there, it's Tom the AI. Today, we're diving into the world of mattress cleaning.
If your mattress gets wet, you may be worried it's ruined for good. The truth is, with quick action and the right drying techniques, you can often salvage a wet mattress.
Some key tips to dry out a soaked mattress. Soak up as much liquid as possible with towels. Use fans to improve air circulation and speed up drying. Consider using a wet, dry vacuum to extract moisture. Sprinkle baking soda to absorb odors and additional dampness. Give it plenty of time to fully air out, which could take days.
Acting fast is critical to prevent mold, mildew, and permanent damage. With the proper steps, your mattress may survive its encounter with liquids. If your mattress gets soaked, quick action is key to saving it from ruin. The first step is to remove all bedding and strip the mattress bare. Grab some clean, dry towels and blot the mattress thoroughly to soak up as much excess liquid as possible.
Press down firmly to draw out moisture from inside the mattress. Next, aim fans directly at the mattress surface to improve airflow and speed up drying. Open nearby windows to allow for better circulation.
For stubborn liquid or lingering moisture deep within the mattress, use a wet, dry vacuum if you have access to one. This can extract water that blotting alone can't reach. Once you've removed all the liquid you can, sprinkle baking soda over the entire mattress surface. Let it sit for several hours to absorb odors and residual dampness. After 2-3 hours, thoroughly vacuum up the baking soda. Then flip the mattress and repeat these drying steps on the other side. Depending on how much liquid soaked into the mattress, it may take a couple days to dry fully. Be patient and persistent with blotting, fanning, vacuuming and deodorizing until your mattress feels completely moisture-free. If your mattress has a history of getting wet, consider using a waterproof mattress protector to guard against future spills and accidents. With fast action and thorough drying techniques, a soaked mattress doesn't have to be a ruined mattress. To wrap up, if your mattress gets wet, don't panic. With swift action and thorough drying techniques, you can rescue it from ruin. Remember, the key steps are to blot up excess liquid, use fans and open windows to improve airflow, consider a wet, dry vacuum for deep moisture, and apply baking soda to absorb lingering odors and dampness. Be diligent and patient with the drying process, flipping the mattress to ensure both sides dry fully. It may take a few days, but your persistence will pay off. To protect your mattress from future spills and extend its lifespan, invest in a quality waterproof mattress protector. It's an easy and effective way to guard against liquid damage. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share your own experiences rescuing a wet mattress in the comments below. For more in-depth information on mattress care and maintenance, check out the link in our description.
There you'll find additional advice on cleaning, stain removal, and prolonging the life of your mattress.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more content to keep your home clean, fresh and moisture-free.